roll on. Agricultural marketing chain is the path of agricultural products from the farm, okay, to where they are sold. That is the path of the agricultural products from the farm, where they are produced to where they are sold. As um, to the final consumer, the end consumer, okay, to where they are sold. So we can have the factors that may hamper the marketing chain of our products. Again, these factors are perishability, okay, meaning spoilage. Seasonal changes, okay, can have um, different seasons, okay, that may hamper our products. Winter, summer, autumn, spring, seasonal changes, right? They hamper our marketing chain. Standardization, it hampers our marketing chain.